Now let's talk about adjusting the length of the strap. Ideally, the buckle will fall in the middle of the buckle latch range here, not on the first and not on the last. There are 3 points of adjustments on every strap. You have your micro adjust, just like any traditional boot. You can turn the buckle left or right. And then you have 2 positions on the buckle arm here. This is adjusted with an Allen key that comes with every boot. Simply remove the pin and move it to the other pin position as needed. Finally, you have a threaded pin on the strap that can be removed using a screwdriver, and this can be moved to different locations on the buckle strap for looser or tighter fits.